Hello folks, this is Mick with Ansley RV here in Duncansville, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to check out the 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3100 RD. And if you want to follow me around here, this unit comes with a huge front storage compartment. Coming on back here, it gives you a nice big awning for your outside entertainment. You got some outside speakers with it. This unit will have a dual slide for your living room, which will be in the rear of the camper. You'll see that it comes with a ladder that you can access your roof. If you ever need to do any maintenance up there, you'll have your spare tire. It is prepped for a backup camera, and it'll be a 50 amp service. So it's going to have 2 air conditioners on the roof. And as you come around on this side here, this unit here is pretty user-friendly. You will have a tankless hot water system. Your sewer discharge will be right here out in the open, so you're not underneath the slide out. It's also going to give you a work light here for at night. You're going to have the black tank flush when you're cleaning your tanks out. You'll have a freshwater fill over here. And then on this side of your pass-through compartment, that's going to be all your hookups, which it'll give you an outside shower. You can hook up if you have a TV, and you'll see your monitor up there for your solar panel. It will have solar on the roof. You'll have a trap door here so you can close your compartment, keep everything nice and sealed. Let's go take a look at the inside now. So as you enter the coach, you can see this has the fold down aluminum steps with the adjustable legs on it. You have the big grab handle here that makes it easy to get in and out. It's going to give you the magnetic latch on the back side of your door here to hold it open for you. So as you come inside the coach, first thing you're going to notice is you're going to come into your kitchen area. Right inside the door you have this huge countertop here with your sink. Your sink will have a sprayer nozzle for whenever you're doing some dishes. Tons of storage the whole way around. It'll give you a little extra counter space over here if you want to put a crock pot or something. As you come through the kitchen, you're going to have the 12 volt, 10 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. Moving on down through the kitchen here, you have a 3 burner stove with the oven, your microwave. You have some more countertop space, more storage, this huge pantry for food and storage of whatnot. And they recess these the shelves back here so you can put in a broom or something like that for later on. All right, so you'll notice the kitchen table here. Currently we only have the 2 chairs set up, but this unit will come with 2 other seats. But the table's pretty nice because it's designed, you can use it as a desk, or you can pull it out, you can spin it around, lock it into place, and then 4 people can sit here and eat with no problems. It's going to give you some power here. You'll have some USB 12 volt power here. Let's take a look at the living room. Okay, as you come into the living room area here, you'll notice it's wide open with your slide outs on both sides. This living area here, you have 2 recliners looking straight towards the TV, which will have your heat, massage functions. The cup holders light up, the chairs will light up underneath. Looks pretty cool at night. You'll have 2 couches here on either side. Both of these couches will fold out into beds. And then you have a huge TV on the back side with a stereo. You have a fireplace here which will light up a couple different colors. It gives you it'll actually warm up the camper pretty nice for you. You'll have some more storage up around the TV also, and then you'll have a vent up above this area also. So your couches here, they're going to turn into your sleeping areas. To do that, you'll take your cushions off. It's a pretty simple setup, so if you got some company staying over, Within about 30 seconds, you're set up and ready to go. You can do this on both sides and still be able to walk through to get to your TV. This will be your control panel here as soon as you come in the door. This is actually motion activated, so it will only light up once you put your hand close to it. You're going to have your awning control, your 2 slide controls here. It's going to give you your fresh tank, your black tank, and your 2 gray tanks that are on this unit. You can also download an app and run some of these functions from your cell phone. And then over here we have the Furrion tankless hot water system, and you'll have your AC and heat controls right here also. So as you're coming into your bathroom here, you'll notice you got a nice big decent sized bathroom. You have a nice big shower. You have some countertop space there around your sink, and there's plenty of storage inside your bathroom. You'll have a towel storage in behind the shower there, and you'll have some storage up behind the toilet. So the bedroom of the 3100 RD, you'll notice you have a queen size bed here. You'll have tons of storage up around the bed for your closets. They do 2 drawers on both sides, and what I like about this unit, it gives you the cubby holes back here for your cell phones, alarm clocks, or whatnot. Each side has its own power, so you have 110 outlets and you'll have USB power. You'll have reading lights above your bed. Your second air conditioner is in your bedroom here, and then this unit also has storage underneath the bed. They give you a drawer that you can slide back and forth. Over in this corner here, you'll have a nice big storage area. You can hang some clothes on the top side. It'll have a motion activated light inside the closet. It'll give you 2 big drawers. I call it a his and her drawer. And then you'll have your AC controls back here and then the sliding door. Thanks for watching. I'm Mick with Ansley RV. This is the Grand Design Imagine 3100 RD. If you would like to come see this unit, please let us know.